There are 3 tips to increase your vision. Did you know that the cells of your cornea regenerate every 2 days? So this is one of the promising things about vision and eye health is that you can see changes very quickly. So tip number 1 is to consume enough lutein and zeaxanthin. And this is something that you can have in a supplement from African marigold. Protects the back of the eye, is really important for blocking and helping to protect from that blue light from the artificial lights that we have in our environment. Number 2 is bilberry, and this is loaded with antioxidants specifically for eye health and protecting against that free radical damage in the eye. And number 3 is doing something called palming. Rub your hands together, and this is all about relaxation. This is based on the Bates method to help naturally improve your vision. You're going to cup your hands, close your eyes, and try to see pure black. And by doing that, you're forcing your brain now to shut down and to actually improve your vision by relaxing everything in the eyes. Follow for more natural health tips.